What's up, friends? Welcome back to the Deal Finder, and today a super exciting video. Let's check out all the new arrivals here at Costco. Come with me, let's take a walk through Costco and see what's new this week. And skipping the chit chat, starting the video off from Yale, we have their Sherlock 2. Now this does have the DoorSense and Wi-Fi module. You can pair it up with Apple Home. You can add the key to your wallet. Has a tap and go feature. You can use the home keys, unlock the door with your iPhone, or unlock the door with your Apple Watch. It has voice commands when you do pair it up with the Apple HomeKit. Here at the warehouse, it just landed $189.99. And then to my left, we have the very popular digital picture frame. This one's from Aura. It has a 10.1-inch frame, 1280 by 800 resolution. Now you can add unlimited photos on the app. Very easy to set up. I wouldn't really call this a new arrival here at Costco. It did land about 2 months ago, but it's $99.99. Another cool feature it has, it automatically adjusts the brightness, and when it's dark, it automatically shuts off. So that's pretty nice. We have the battery backup. This one's from CyberPower PC. We saw last year's model go on clearance, 222 minutes of runtime at $149.99. Let's do a quick recap on the Anker DC portable power station. This one has a 100-watt fast charger built into it. Pretty cool charger. Now it has 7 versatile ports on it. It's small but very powerful. As you can see, has a built-in lantern, 4 USB-C ports. You get that 100-watt fast charger, all for $149.99. And then directly behind me from Costco's coupon book, we have the new OLED TV from LG, the C5. If you can find somebody with an LG EPP account, you can get a blazing deal on their website. I got the 65-inch OLED TV C5 for $1,200. It came with a bonus soundbar and subwoofer, and then it came with another bonus Bluetooth speaker. I got all that as a package deal for $1,200. Pretty amazing deal. Don't forget about the new Nintendo Switch here at Costco. Comes with the Mario Kart World, a nice little bundle set for $524.99. The Pokemon video game for $64.99. And we have the new PlayStation set up here at Costco. The PS5 digital and disc version also available. So for today's video, we are filming a little bit differently. I wanted to feel like we're walking side by side next to each other, checking out all the new arrivals here at Costco. And check out this one in front of us from Nordic Ware. We have our Simply Sourdough. It's a starter kit for homemade sourdough bread, and it pretty much comes with everything you need, even the dough hook, which is pretty cool. There's been a lot of buzz lately about gut health and microbiome, and sourdough bread, very nutritious for you, has a lot of magnesium, zinc, and iron. That's because it uses a fermentation process, and because of that process, it breaks down gluten, and it makes it very easy to digest. Not easy, but easier. And it's also better for your blood sugar as well, because it's lower on the glycemic index, and it's pretty good for your gut health. $69.99. And this new DPS gaming chair, way better than the previous version. This one is so much more supportive. It's worth the upgrade in my opinion. We have the new LG ultra wide monitor. Now this monitor doesn't have the My View built into it. That's what I like about it. I don't like when these monitors have all the smart features. I want a nice clean computer monitor with good resolution. This one's 3440 by 1440 resolution. It has an 1800R curvature. The higher the number, the less aggressive the curve. The lower the number, the more aggressive the curve. $299.99. 1800R, you can see that curve is not too aggressive. If it's 1000R or lower, very aggressive. I like this chair so much, I have to sit in it. Let's take it for a spin, friends. Let's try it out. Let's see if we like it. Let's give it a go. 1, 2, woo! I love it. I love it. When it goes on sale, I'm definitely going to buy it. Let's move on to our next item, friends. Hopefully you are enjoying today's video so far. If you do, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we do put out some of the best Costco content around, along with Amazon, Home Depot, and Sam's Club. Speaking of Amazon, we did put out a new giveaway, and the new Amazon video is going to come out tomorrow. That's going to have the secret code, so make sure you watch that Amazon video tomorrow to enter into our giveaway. So far, we do have a great variety of Christmas trees, as you can see, but when you compare this year's holiday items compared to last year, what a big disappointment. Even the toys are a disappointment, but hopefully it does get a little bit better. That's what we're hoping. In front of us, we have this robot vacuum here from RoboRock. This is our QX Revo. Pretty popular vacuum, excellent reviews online. A lot of people love this vacuum. Apparently this mop does have pretty great suction power. Also has dual spinning mops at the bottom that spin at 200 RPM, so pretty fast, and it has great consistent pressure on it. Let me flip it over, let's have a look. Also, it's self-washing, self-cleaning, and self-drying, which is pretty amazing. So when it does dock, it washes the mops automatically for you, which is pretty cool. And then it dries it as well. It's self-emptying, $579.99. So for the past couple of weeks or so, we all saw the Sharper Image Power Percussion go on clearance. It's still on clearance. Very nice unit. We've seen the new updated design in my Costco video, and now we have an updated version for the handheld one, the smaller version. This is the Sharper Image Power Percussion Edge Plus. This is a portable unit, very small, very compact. This is the updated design right in front of me that does both hot and cold, has a longer reach handle. But here, the little one, this one's pretty awesome. Nice high intensity. It's small, it's handheld, it's compact, very lightweight, so easy to hold for a long duration. So this one's pretty cool. If you're looking for something quick on the go, you got any tight spots, this is a great buy. Also a great gift as well. It's small, it's compact, it's lightweight. Don't underestimate a lightweight product like this compared to the heavyweight. $59.99. This unit also has 4 different speeds, which is pretty nice. So lately here at Costco, we've seen this brand pop up a lot, Dreo. Now they do make great heaters, they make great fans, but in front of us, we have a 2-pack of ultrasonic mist humidifiers. Now when it comes to humidifiers, I'm not sure if they make great ones or not, but what I do know, there's basically 3 different types. You have evaporation, you have ultrasonic, and then you have cool mist. So if you are planning to buy a humidifier to help treat a cold at home, if you have a little one at home, a baby, infant, toddler, you want to use a cool mist humidifier, not an ultrasonic. And if you're using a cool mist humidifier, you want to use distilled water. Spend the extra $2, get yourself a gallon of water of distilled water. That water has no minerals, no bacteria or molds. It's just distilled water. And then once your little one's cold is over, you want to clean out that unit. You want to take it apart, let it soak in vinegar for 20 minutes, let it air dry, rinse it out, let it air dry, and then you're good to go for the next time they're sick. So this heater from Dreo, this one's pretty good. It's a heater and circulate. So it circulate and heat the air in your room. Has 3 different heat levels, 3 different fan levels, 1500 watts. So it is pretty powerful. Automatic oscillation, $69.99. So if you go back and watch my Costco new arrival videos, go back and watch maybe 1 or 2 episodes. I did showcase a lot more heaters in those videos. Just in case you're in the market for a new heater, make sure you watch those videos first. Also, friends, look what we have in front of us. Move over Ninja, because from Gourmet, we have their new automatic soft serve ice cream and frozen drink maker. Now today, this just went on sale today. It's also available at Costco.com for the same exact price. So keep that in, friends. And it's only valid till November 2nd. So that's also a second thing to be aware of. So pretty cool ice cream machine here. It makes soft serve ice cream in just 30 minutes. It looks awesome. I like the packaging. Looks like a lot of fun. Pretty cool. Now look at that. No overnight pre-freezing required. Pretty awesome. $40 off the price tag, down to $159.99. Has 6 one-touch preset functions, and pretty cool. It can even make sorbet as well. If you don't have a Costco nearby, just order it at Costco.com. They'll ship it right to your front door for the same price. So for this holiday, Costco has brought in the new wave. This is the new temperature control mug. What's pretty cool about this mug, not only can you adjust the temperature, you can actually bring it up to boil. So if you want to brew a cup of coffee or you want to brew a cup of tea, you can do that. They give you a filter. You can put the grinds in the filter. You drop it in the mug, bring it up to boil, let it brew, and you are good to go for a fresh cup of coffee or tea. Pretty cool. But look at the price. The price is very, very expensive. It sits at $129.99. And just a friendly reminder, friends, we are doing a new giveaway. Link will be in the comment section. Link will be in the description. Click that link and follow the directions from there. Look at this from Gourmet. It has a star in the top right corner indicating that this product is going to be discontinued on the chopping block, so it will go on clearance fairly soon. Next up on our list, this one's coming from Miyu. We have their silicone freezer trays. Now these do come with lids as well. They come in a 5-pack. Pretty nice trays here. What I like about them, they're oven safe. So these are good for meal prepping. Put soups, sauces, anything you want inside of them, and then you can just pop them right into the oven. So they're oven safe up to 446 degrees, which is good. Now the trays are oven safe, but not the lids. So don't put the lids in the oven. These are both dishwasher safe, so that's nice. They come in a 5-pack, $24.99. And look at this to my left. Last week we saw this on a flash sale. This week the deal's over, and now it's on the chopping block. We can see the star in the top right corner from Anchor Hawking. We have their 3-pack of jars here, $27 $27.99. Also new for the holidays, I love to cook with cast iron, and these are from Lodge. This is an 11-inch seasoned cast iron skillet. It's going for $19.99. Now, I do like to head down to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Sierra Trading Post. They have some good cast iron products there. So if you're in the market, you don't want to spend $20, check out like TJ Maxx or Sierra Trading Post. Sometimes they have cast iron pans there, $19.99. And then to my right, also from Miyu, we have their bamboo steamer baskets. Now these are kind of similar to the cast iron skillet. Once you get down to the technique, you get down the cleaning and the preparation, these are pretty amazing. 100% bamboo. This is a 2-tier steamer. Each bamboo steamer basket is 10 inches in diameter. Comes with a steamer ring that's good for 6.5 or 12.5 diameter pots. Now there's a little bit of preparation involved. There's a little bit of a cleaning process involved. But once you have that down pat, it's excellent. $19.99. And look what I just came across here at Costco. Romex wire, 12-2. Who would have thought we've seen this here at Costco? Pretty interesting product that they're selling here at Costco. A 500-foot reel of 12-2 Romex wire. That's pretty interesting here. Look at the price, $249.99. Not bad. I mean, not the greatest. If it drops on sale, that's going to be pretty amazing. I think maybe 250 feet of Romex wire Home Depot is about $140. So that's a pretty much $30 savings right off the bat, and it's not even on sale yet. Also new to the warehouse from Motorola, we have their T600, their H2O two-way talk radios. These are waterproof, but friends, they have horrible reviews at Costco.com, so I am going to pass on this one. It's $99.99. They are IP67 waterproof, like I said. USB-C charging, has a built-in flashlight. It goes for $100. Let's move on to our next item. So in the morning, I do like to have my morning cup of coffee by the window. We have a little window feeder, and this one is pretty cool. This one has a built-in camera. I don't know if this is necessary. I have mine with a suction cup on my window, so the birds come right up to it, which is pretty cool. This one's quite interesting too as well. I like it, but I don't know if it's worth the money. If you like it and you think it's worth the money, let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from everybody. But cool little camera here. I like the birds. I like to watch them. This one's $99.99. Now, give me a second. I do want to walk back to the front of the store. I almost forgot about the new oven mitts. These are from KitchenAid. Now, these do come in a 4-pack, which is pretty nice. These are oven safe up to 500 degrees. I wish I had more colors. We have the green, and we also have the black available. I wish that they had a little bit more colors involved. Maybe a red, maybe a, I don't know, a navy, but they didn't have enough colors. Just the green and the black for now. These look pretty nice. A 4-piece set here at Costco. Good for up to 500 degrees, typical KitchenAid quality, and they're only $16.99. So here we have a classic at Costco. We have the heated blankets back in stock. Now, last year I did buy a couple of these. I wasn't crazy about it to begin with, but then the more I started using it, the more I started loving it. We have the new cream color available. Now, these are so comfortable. They're so soft, and they do put out a good amount of heat. I love my heated blanket now. I use it all the time. This is a new updated design. You can see there it has a new controller on it. $29.99. This makes a fantastic gift. If you have any loved ones, you're not sure what to buy, this is super cool. And the cord on it is quite long too, I might mention. So earlier this year, I did showcase the Pendleton throw blankets. These were available at Costco online for clearance. I was able to grab one myself, but I wasn't too impressed from the quality. I didn't really like it too much. I ended up returning mine. These are very, very thin. They're $19.99, 50 by 70 inches. That's the throw blanket. But then to my left, we actually have their blanket available. That one's 92 by 98, I believe. The blankets, these look quite nice. I'm not too sure how thick these blankets are. Some of the patterns, those are patterns and designs are pretty cool. This one's $36.99. Yeah, 92 by 98 inches. We also have a great little selection of books that arrived here at the warehouse. A lot of good books for our little ones at home. Nice little selections, especially if you have any kids who love Legos, Star Wars, Marvel, Blimpie, Miss Rachel. A lot of good variety here. And look at the size of this new party speaker from Sony. We've seen a lot of party speakers here at the warehouse, some on clearance, some are not, but this one's from Sony, their ULT, their power sound. This one's so huge, and it does come with a massive, massive price tag. This one's $799.99. This one's going to be a hard pass for me. Definitely not worth the money, even though it's quite large, looks somewhat impressive. It's just too big, it's just too bulky, and the price is way too much. But anyway, friends, if you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. This one took me a lot to make. I don't know why. I was fumbling all over my words, re-recording, and re-recording. Don't forget to enter our giveaway. It's absolutely free to enter. Link will be in the comment section. Link will be in the description. If you have Instagram, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Tomorrow, I am going to release a new Amazon video, and the secret code will be available on that video for our giveaway. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for all the wonderful comments. I'll see you tomorrow with a new Friends video. Peace and good night.